all. The almirah has 4 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 books in each shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many books are in the almirah? Okay, let's count. First we have to write statements. So here you can see total shelves equal to 4. Total books in each shelf equal to 5. Now total books are in the almirah equal to 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 books, or we can count also. Here in the picture you can see total books. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 books. Now next. A shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would 3 shirts have? Okay. First write statements. 1 shirt equal to 5 buttons. Now for 3 shirts we have to find. So total number of buttons in 3 shirts equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 buttons. Now next. There are 4 fans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each fan has 3 blades. 1, 2, 3. What is the total number of blades in all? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's write. Total fans equal to 4. Each fan has 3 blades. So total number of blades in 4 fans equal to 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12 blades. Now next. A box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? Okay. So you can write 1 box equal to 6 apples. Now for 7 boxes, how many apples? So total number of apples in 7 boxes equal to 6 multiplied by 7. 6 7s are 42. 42 apples. Now next. How many corners would 4 triangles have? Okay. Let's see. 1 triangle equal to 3 corners. Okay. Here in the picture you can see 1, 2 and 3. 1 triangle equal to 3 corners. Now for 4 triangles. So total corners in 4 triangles equal to 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 corners. Now next. E. Some multiplication facts. 8 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 multiply dash equal to dash. So here you can write any number. 3 4s are 12. Or you can write 3 7s are 21. Now next. Dash multiply dash equal to 42. Okay. In which table 42 will come? 7's table and 6 tables. So you can write 7 6 are 42. Or 6 7s are 42. Now next. 5 multiply dash equal to 40. Okay, so in 5's table we know that when 5 is multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. So 5 8s are 40. Now next 54. Okay, we know in 9's table and 6 table 54 will come. So directly we can write 6 9s are 54. Now 5 multiply dash equal to 35. 5 7s are 35. Now for 36, same. 6 6 are 36. Same you have to do for other sums. Multiplication table of 1. 1 times 1 is 1 ones are 1. 2 times 1 is 2 ones are 2. 3 times 1 is 3 ones are 3. 4 times 1 is 4 ones are 4. Now same for 5 times 1 is 5 ones are 5. 6 times 1 is 6 ones are 6. Okay, same for 7 and 8. Now we will learn multiplying big numbers. 2 toffees were given to each student in the class. If there were 34 students, how many toffees were given in all? Okay. So let's see the statements. Total students present equal to 34. Okay. Each student gets 2 toffees. So total number of toffees given is 34 multiplied by 2. Okay. 34 multiplied by 2 is 34 times 2. Okay. 30 times 2 is 60. Okay. So the answer is more than 60. Now 40 times 2 is 80. So the answer is less than 80. So what is the answer? Let's see. Okay. How can we find 34 times 2? I know. Bharti wrote. Okay, so here we have to expand. We have to write expanded form. So 34. So for 34 expanded form is 30 and 4. Okay, 30 and 4 and 2. Next Bharti wrote 30 multiplied by 2. 32s are 60. And 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8. 30 times 2 is 60. And 4 times 2 is 8. Thirty multiplied by 2. 0 2s are 0 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. So 32s are 60 and 2 4s are 8. But what's the answer? Just add the numbers in the boxes and you get the answers. 60 plus 8 equal to 68. 68 toffees in all. Wow, that's smart. Means we have to add this both the number 60 and 8. So 60 plus 8 is 68. Now next. Next example. In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. The number of students was 23. Find out the total number of fruits given. Okay. Number of students in the picnic equal to 23. Fruits given to each student equal to 4. Total number of fruits equal to 23 multiplied by 4. So 23 multiplied by 4 means 23 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80. So the answer is more than 80. The answer is also less than 100. Can you tell why? If we can do this by Bharti's method. Okay. So 23 multiplied by 4. So for 23. So we have to expand 23. So 23 is 20 and 3. 20 and 3 and multiply by 4. So 20 multiplied by 4 is 80 and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Twenty multiplied by 4. 0 4s are 0. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Adding 80 and 12 gives 80 plus 12. 0 plus 2, 2 and 8 plus 1, 9. So 23 times 4 is 92. Now next, practice time. Multiply. first, see the first sum, 22 multiplied by 3. Okay, so you can write like this. First 22, so we have to write expanded form. So for 22, expanded form is 20 and 2 and multiply by 3. Okay, now 20 multiplied by 3. Okay, let's multiply. So first write 20 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 twos are 6. So 20 multiplied by 3 is 60 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now let's add 60 plus 6. 0 plus 6, 6 and 6. So the answer is 66. Okay, you have to multiply. You have to do these multiplication sums in maths notebook. All the sums you have to do like Bharti's method, according to this method in maths notebook. Okay, now another sum, 32 multiplied by 5. Okay, so for 32 we can write 30 and 2 and multiply by 5. So first multiply 30 multiplied by 5 and the next is 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, 30 multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 threes are 15. We know that any number is multiplied with 0, so with 0 gives the answer 0. And 2 5s are 10. Now let's add 150 plus 10, 160. 23 multiplied by 9. So for 23 we can write 20 and 3 and multiply by 9. So 20 multiplied by 9 and 3 multiplied by 9. 29s are 20 multiplied by 9. 0 9s are 0 and 9 2s are 18. 180 plus 27. 0 plus 7 7. 8 plus 2 10. 0 carry here. 1 plus 1 2. 207. Okay, so do all the multiplication sums like Bharti's method in your maths notebook. Bye bye, and complete your maths notebook.